My name is Stephen Lang. I am the City Engineer, Public Works Director for the City of Austin. I've been with the city since 2001 and I've been in this position since 2013. As part of the Public Works Department, we have 57 employees and we have a budget of about $10 million. We're broken down into different departments in Public Works. We have engineering, wastewater treatment plant, sewer maintenance, street maintenance. We also oversee the airport and the transfer station. The engineering department, the main focus of that department is street reconstruction and flood control. If you see crews out doing street reconstruction in your neighborhood, a lot of times those are folks from the engineering department that have designed those projects, worked through the winter on that design. Also, we do the surveying on those projects and then the reconstruction in the summer. So that is a key portion of the engineering department. Another part of the engineering department is overseeing our flood control program. We recently completed the North Main Flood Control Project, protecting commercial businesses in the North Main area. But another big portion of our flood control is property acquisition. We have acquired about 275 homes from the floodplain in the last 30 years and removed those structures from flooding impacts. That is a big portion of the engineering department, is both that street reconstruction and also flood control. The wastewater treatment plant is a department made up of about 20 employees. We process the domestic and industrial flow from the community. Our plant is really made up of two separate plants, where we have an industrial plant that treats the waste from Hormel, and then we have a domestic plant that serves the rest of the community. We process about 6 million gallons of flow per day, clean up all of that through a biological process, and discharge it back out into the Cedar River where it is when it is cleaned and processed. We oversee a lot of environmental things through the wastewater treatment plant. We're very highly regulated through the MPCA. So there's lots of permitting that is completed through the wastewater treatment plant to make sure that we are maintaining a good quality water that is discharged into the Cedar River. In addition, a lot of the funding sources that pay for infrastructure at our wastewater treatment plant are funded through our user fees. On your monthly utility bill, you have a sewer fee, and that goes to pay for all of our infrastructure improvements at the wastewater treatment plant. We have a very old plant. We have a lot of equipment at the treatment plant that dates back to the 1930s. And so we are constantly doing upgrades and making improvements, meeting those MPCA requirements, and also updating our infrastructure. Another part of the Public Works Department is our sewer maintenance crew. We have many sewer lines throughout the community, and many of those are located in the roadways. And then there are service laterals that run to each home. So we have maintenance crews that are out there every day maintaining those lines, maintaining the sewers. We also have the storm sewer system. Those would be the inlets that you see in the curb and gutter that intake drainage and rainwater. Those are two separate systems, and there's a lot of maintenance that is involved with both of those systems, and that work is done by the sewer maintenance crew. Another part of the Public Works Department is the street maintenance. All the crews that you see out doing the snow plowing in the winter time, the sanding with our snow plows, our front end loaders. And then in the summertime, those crews are out doing street maintenance, doing minor street repairs. It could be the striping that you see. All that work is done through our street maintenance department. The last department within Public Works is the transfer station. The transfer station is located adjacent to the airport, and it is used to collect municipal solid waste. Their haulers throughout the community will haul their municipal solid waste to the transfer station, where it is compacted into trailers and taken to a landfill. Other things associated with the transfer station would be our leaf collection program. Every fall, we collect leaves out at the Cook Farm, compost those leaves, and then resell that or give that material away, that compost away, to homeowners, residents, businesses, whoever's looking for compost for whatever reason that might be. So those are the different departments of Public Works. If you have any questions or need to reach us, you can call the engineering department at 507-437-9950 and ask for any of those different departments, and we can help forward you on. So thank you, and again, if you have any questions, call us.